Hi, this is Jackie Phillips, and this is how to make a cut less noticeable. When making a cut less noticeable, it's just like making a bruise less noticeable. You want to make sure that you cover the area with a good concealer, and then you're going to do different layers. So you're going to cover the area with a good concealer, just like this, fill in the cut a little bit, blend it around the skin, and then you're going to go over it with a great powder, and then you're going to blend it in again. And you're going to do it over and over again until you notice that the cut's less noticeable and that everything's nicely blended in. Basically, the biggest trick when dealing with cuts or bruises is getting rid of the discoloration. Once you do that, blend the makeup and you're all set. And that's how to disguise cuts. This is Jackie Phillips. To get more of my tips, visit me at www.jackiephillips.tv.